Ana reports be ebehwim say Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2 players are we foreigners. Meka SAMBA O'NEIL, the defender, Congo soldier, and the player Mohammed Camara, the goalkeeper, requested say be free club. After the club failed, say meet the demands of these players. No, the players are set to leave Kumasi Asante Kotoko at the end. And I say before this season, Super 24 TV and me say ntiasie fi asem ba ye kopemu nchiremu na nkasa na ya be breaking it down. Sa asem no emu no correct say in the meeting also about possible contract extension. The other time we hear reports be about these 2 players, me and 3, SAMBA O'NEIL, Joseph Ablon, and player your friend Mohammed Camara. You get it. Enti say no, these players contract has been on the negotiation table for some time now, but you may also social media and some agent and say players no more requests and Kotoko are not able to meet it, therefore the players will be leaving. No crack bako say enim say omube leave before the season starts, but in some no credit mabem in future me pacho wo hu de me chiro no asem ne ba tebia me se asem ba ne nya abotre madwedwe mu kakra e na de me nsaka na me de ebro Super 24 TV no so no enya de players ne be free Kotoko into we Kotoko supporter aka wakoma to we, but the players no a request no and say omo contracts no, if there's going to be an extension, there should be an improved contract for them. Oma make demands. Obviously, Oma make demands. And they be doing so we're talking about agents. They talk to the players directly and tell them that when your clubs are more, the offers are very lucrative and also a PMO. The recent one, SAMBA O'NEIL and Mohammed Camara, the earlier players, Tanzania move be. Sika no kra nye sika kese bia, but omobosomi akatua no na agent na ka de huhu akire omo a omo nso ekeke bi kire Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. Be de munchire mu no bro real quick on the Super 24 TV no. So information ye wo wiase nya to hope na e wo se ye de munchire mu no bro unze ma so blue light ni say anache say ade asa e wo Ghana nti na wo se so nkane no esi camera no so na yedi dwuma no ema wo Super 24 TV no so the part join Asante Kotoko International reaction, Asante Kotoko International WhatsApp group, Kotoko 4 South Africa, Kotoko 4 UK, Kotoko 4 Abuja Fanam ena yenso aye wo kru dade Ghana yesu ye wo so ena ye kire adwen enumere ya ho ena meye production we free ho na asem ni nyina free ba se Kotoko players no mienu no ebi beko na ya ena de betu mu enumere ya na mse no asem we mentena so o se bi borem na be kunya the minutest explanation na me de ba on Super 24 TV no so me pa cho assembly say that here the last time me report to say these 3 players Kotoko are requesting a contract extension for them because of our performance now. These players Kotoko say last year July, around July say Mohammed Camara Kradi, the goalkeeper, was signed on 28th July 2024. And I signed Joseph Ablon, and I signed the Congo soldier, which is SAMBA O'NEIL Mohammed. Now, the report going around saying players, say they are going to leave if Kotoko are not able to match up with omu demands na enye no kre womunie ne say these players, the goalkeeper Mohammed Camara, Kotoko signed for 2 years. The contract with Asante Kotoko bebe 2026, July 2026, and actually July 28, 2026, and the contract with Asante Kotoko bebe and Kotoko who said the performance was so until they want to give him an extension of contract. No more improve the salary ni kakra. And an agent be a fair boy no. A card chain say when ya offer our Tanzania mano. Na offer when ya Tanzania mano no. Or mobile mano in the region of $10,000, between $10,000 to $8,000 a month. And a player no essay and no and or they create negotiation with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So based on a reported message I mean Sakai player no meaning Kasai, but based on a reported message I mean Sakai and they say player is requesting the Kotoko ebe up in the salary no at Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I'm told so they take around $1,000. So the conversation is that Inka Kotoko entria around $5,000 a month, man. And a Kotoko is a no. It is not going to be possible. You know contracts, no. 2 years, busumi be $1,000. So in the $1,000, no. In the event say player ne kase Kotoko still na a man $5,000. Kotoko intimi a man $5,000 na. Omo betina Kotoko till 2026 a omo contract ne bebe wie. Me pato what you say? As simple as that. Until they are not going to leave this season. This season or still now they have a running contract with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But Kotoko now from say my performance no was so into me person me extend my years no 20 maybe 2027 and I said 2028 na eda ho into ye kakra bi be so so e be $1,200 and another $1,500 because you have a Africa my market value do be cost so ena place ne yese omo kra no manya office e bi o Tanzania agent for no ena omo de ye omo negotiation to player no ball 1,000 first 5,000 and a Kotoko say yenya nduru ho eno na nsentro bi so say sa Kotoko say onya $5,000 ne dey net is a place ne be jai Kotoko but enya ne sa place no they can only leave Kumasi Asante Kotoko at the end of 2026 July 2026 omo contract ne bebe wi so assembly mu ncheche mu nyina no and a meeting no omanye we meeting because Nana Pingra currently as we speak or Canada or Koyane back graduation or bar or Metro. So in meeting no crano, it was held between Richard Akuto, Kosia Piamo, and a holding some meeting, Inti and yes, SAMBA O'NEIL Mohammed Camara Ebeko. SAMBA O'NEIL cried or two room to say or no Kumasi, Ayanede, na Kumasi no betina. Na agent for be the shisha nyoma we nyina ase. Yes, agent for be the shisha ase. Omo kofi fa deals do nobody pushy players no. For now, Kotoko entimi I extend omo contracts na omo kra na omo contracts na bebe we next year July and I say August. SAMBA O'NEIL de na ye August and goalkeeper Camara de near 28 July. So this is the news e wo ho na wo se bidim chiu mu le ba. E din no Nazir Hamza with me after me the blog man we do see a bebre for now me call long time.